Hi, I'm Giselle. Right now, I'm going to be playing with Kinetic Sand. It says it right here and right here. And it says it never dries out and your hands stay clean. I don't know what that says. And it cleans up easily. It's easy to shape and mold. So I'm going to open this now. This is my first time using Kinetic Sand. So I got this at Five and Below. You can get these little packs at Five and Below, and you get the molds too. But I'm just gonna be using my Play-Doh molds because I don't have any other things to use. So I have a pretzel, I have a strawberry, and a pear. I'm gonna test it out with it. And it's it's really cool. And it can go down it looks like it oozes. It's awesome. So now I'm gonna mold it into a huge volcano. Well, not a huge volcano, just like a volcano shape. Okay, so here's my volcano. It's really cool. And I'm gonna see if it cleans up easily. And it does clean up easily. And I love how it feels when it oozes. Now I'm going to try to use the pretzel mold. Try to make a pretzel. Okay, so now I have the pretzel, and now I'm going to test out a strawberry and then a pear. Okay, so now I have a strawberry, and I'm sorry about, I don't know, there's probably a lot of sounds in the background, but the strawberry didn't taste. I squeezed it. I don't know why I squeezed it. So I'm going to try that. Okay, so now Here's my strawberry. Squish. It's so cool. Sticks. And it did keep my hands clean. So I'm gonna mold it into a huge ball. I'm gonna take everything and mold it into a huge ball. Sorry, there's a fly right there. Okay. So if I roll it, then it'll probably ooze down. So I'm gonna try. Trying to make it ooze down. Okay, so that's how it oozes down. And I just love the way how it feels when it oozes. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll do some other toy reviews. Bye.